Hello, this video presents a pattern with violet motif, made in narrow cloth stitch lace technique. We need lace making accessories and 5 pairs of bobbins with cotton number 30. First, we choose the starting point. Place 2 pins on the starting point and hang 2 pairs on the first pin, the worker pair, and the one vertical pair. Make one twist with each pair and do a cloth stitch. Loop 3 vertical pairs over the second pin. Take the worker pair and make a cloth stitch with each of the vertical pairs. We've come to the first loop. Place a pin in the middle of the line and twist the worker pair around the pin. On the inner side of the band, make one twist with the last vertical pair and make a cloth stitch with the worker pair. Leave the worker pair aside because the last vertical pair becomes a new worker pair. Repeat the steps on the inner side of the band until the band is finished. In this place we start making a right angled corner. Make cloth stitch with worker and vertical pair and put a temporary pin. Leave the worker pair aside. Last vertical pair becomes a new worker pair. Twist it once. Make a cloth stitch with 2 vertical pairs. Before we make the corner pin, we finish the band. Twist the last vertical pair once and make fixing stitch with worker pair. Make a fixing stitch again with worker pair and vertical pair. Sew the worker pair into the temporary pin. Make a cloth stitch with the pair which was left aside. Along the edge of the pattern, blind pins are indicated. Here we sew in 2 loops together. Insert the crochet hook into both loops and sew them through. Continue with the lace. The worker pair must reach the starting pin and each pair must be sewn exactly in its own starting loop. We tie the pairs and cut the threads just above the knots.